Today we fly to a capsized boat I can see at the horizon and make a little range test with the Dji Avata. We are still at the little beach where I made the previous video. This time we head out straight to the sea, and I hope we can make it to the boat wreck. We fly at an altitude of about 10 meters with an airspeed of 50 km/h. Welcome to Fly with Odin. The boat is in the circle. Can you see it? I speed up the video a little to keep it interesting. On the way back, I show you the signal interferences. It is impossible to follow the coastline at this altitude. To subscribe and turning all notifications is the best way to keep in touch. And it's free.
I would love to see your like.
We are 1,452 meters out. As you can see, the HD signal dropped 1 bar. It shows an altitude of 5 meters, but I would guess it's no more than 2 meters. Now let's go back. The H, home, at the horizon is our position. The slightest object, here's a sandbank, between us and the drone lets the signal drop significant. We have only 2 bars and 9 megapixels per second left. I adjust our track. Now that we know we are in the clear, let's play, climb up and get an overview. Summary. The weak part of the Avata is clearly the video transmission. Hopefully, DJI can improve this. Since you are watching this video up to this point, please click like and make this video successful. Your like makes a huge difference. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.